A Michigan Moment Snapshot.
This night view of Leap the Dips in Mount Clemens takes us back to about 1910. On the east bank of the Clinton River, between the Crocker and Dickinson bridges, a former lumber yard became a short-lived amusement park for the city known as Bath City. The wooden coaster opened on July 4, 1909, just as roller coasters were booming across Michigan, from Detroit's Electric Park to Lakeshore resorts. Promoters bragged about thousands of feet of track and billed it as one of the largest rides of its kind. For a season or two, crowds lined up, and nearby saloon owners complained that customers were choosing the coaster over the bar. Then the novelty faded. In 1910, a new Bijou Theater downtown offered changing film programs, and local papers began treating the coaster as yesterday's thrill. By 1912, the company struggled with payments. Inspectors later judged the structure unsafe, and by 1925, the last timbers were gone. Today, the site is mostly pavement near Mount Clemens City Hall, with a riverside gazebo where the station once stood, a quiet reminder of when Bath City briefly chased the amusement park craze.